Hello friends, in this video we are going to see practice at 4.1, page number 22 of your textbook. Question number 3. The question is, draw an obtuse angled triangle STV, draw its medians, show the centroid. Now the very first step is to draw the triangle. So I will first begin with that. You take a 6 centimeter distance and name it as TV. Now, since it is an obtuse angle, I will keep the protractor on point T and I will measure more than 90 degrees. So I am taking 110 degree. Draw a line passing through that point. Then in your compass, measure 8 centimeter distance. You can take any appropriate distance. I'm taking 8 centimeter. Keep it on point V. Draw an arc. This point is your S. Then join S and V. Now we have already studied in a previous video that for vertex T, this is a vertex T, the opposite side is side SV. So for vertex T, the opposite side is SV. For vertex V, the opposite side is side ST. And for vertex S, the opposite side is side TV. Now the question is that we have to draw the medians. But we know that for medians, we need a midpoint. And how do we get the midpoint? We get the midpoint by drawing the perpendicular bisectors. So I will first begin with side TV. I take the compass, take more than half distance, make an arc from point T, then same distance, I will make the arcs from point V. So I got the 2 points of intersections. I will mark the point on side TV and the remaining I will just draw a dotted line. So what I need is this point, that is the median, the midpoint. Okay. Now this is on side TV. So for side TV, if you see the vertex is S. So from this vertex S, we have to join to this midpoint. I'm naming this midpoint as A. So this is over and I got my first median. Now let me take side SV. Again, I'm keeping the compass on point S, taking more than half distance, make the arcs, keep it on point V. Again, we need the point, that is a midpoint. So I'm just marking the point and I'm drawing a very fine dotted line. So this is the midpoint. Name it as B. This is side SV. So if you see for side SV, the vertex is T. So from T, we have to draw a median in this way. So we have completed vertex T. We have completed vertex S. Now let's go to vertex V and side ST. So this is the side ST. I'll again take my compass, take more than half distance, make the arcs from S, then from T. Again, I'll make the arcs from T. I get the point. For T, I'll make the midpoint first and then a dotted line. So this is my midpoint. I name it as C. Now, which is a vertex left? Vertex V. So from V, I will join to this point C. So here is my obtuse angle triangle ready, and even the medians are ready. Now see the third part of the question. Show the centroid. Now, what is a centroid? A centroid is the point of concurrence. So this is the point of concurrence, and centroid is denoted by symbol G. So therefore, I can write as therefore G is the centroid of triangle ST3. So here is our sum number 3. Now let's go to sum number 4. Let us read the question first. The question is, draw an obtuse angle triangle LMN. Again, we have to draw obtuse angle triangle. Draw its altitudes. So this time we have to draw the altitudes. Denote the orthocenter by O. Okay. So again, obtuse angle triangle. So I will draw a 6 centimeter line, just like the previous sum. I will name it as M, N. Then I will take my protractor. I will measure 110 degrees since it is an obtuse angle. I will draw a line. Then in my compass, I will measure 8 centimeter. Keep it on point N. Make an arc. So this point of intersection is my L. And I will join L, N. So here is my obtuse angle triangle ready. So again, we have for vertex L, the opposite side is MN. For vertex M, the opposite side is LN. And for vertex N, the opposite side is LM. Now what we have to draw? We have to draw altitude. So altitude is a perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side. So let us first take M. I'm taking vertex M. We have already studied in a previous video how to draw the altitudes. So I'm making the arcs like this. I get the point of intersection. So from M to this point of intersection, I will draw a line. And this is my first perpendicular, that is A. So vertex M is over. Now let me take vertex L. So from L again to the opposite side, we have to draw a perpendicular. But if you see my other arc, it is coming outside the triangle. So what I will do is, I will extend my side MN. I will extend the side MN. I'm showing it with a dotted line. And even I will extend this LM, showing with the dotted line. Like this. So now on point L, I'm keeping it on point L, making an arc on both the sides like this. Again, I get a point. So I will draw the perpendicular from L to this point like this. And this is my point perpendicular B. Point is B. So vertex L is also done. Now I'm left with vertex N. So vertex N, again I will, so for vertex N, this LM is the side. So I'll keep the pointer on L. I'll make the arcs like this. And I will make the arcs first from point N and then from the arcs. So So I got this point here. From N, I'm going to draw a line passing through this point. So here comes my third perpendicular. The point is C. Now, if you see the perpendicular from L and the perpendicular from N, they both are meeting at this point. But this, I'm going to extend the third one also and see what happens. So when I extend the third altitude, I see that all the three altitudes, they meet together at one point. So we are done with the first part and the second part of the question. Denote the orthocenter by O. Now, what is the meaning of orthocenter for altitudes? It is the point of concurrence. So this is the orthocenter and this is O. And in our previous videos, we have seen that for an obtuse angle triangle, the orthocenter lies in the exterior. So for obtuse angle triangle, for obtuse angled triangle, the orthocenter lies in the exterior of the triangle. So here the position of the orthocenter is in the exterior of the triangle. Thank you.